My name is Francis Kweti Marishila, and today I'm gonna show you the reality of an application of an organic farm and also a similar pattern in Canada.
L'idée, c'est de multiplier le nombre de petites fermes. Ce qu'on veut, c'est remplacer l'agriculture de masse par une masse d'agriculteurs qui font une agriculture de bienveillance.
Biointensive microagriculture is a sustainable agricultural system aimed at producing food from a small plot of land while enriching the cultivated soil with humus. It is a self-fertile and autonomous agricultural system in seed, cultivation on mounds with double digging, that is to say, tillage to a depth of 2 spade iron or about 60 cm initial. Subsequently, when the soil acquires a good structure, it is no longer worked and the compost is incorporated into it only on the surface. It is loosened without turning over using a broad fork or similar tool. The deep loosening of the soil allows better aeration at the same time as better water penetration, which limits the need for watering and allows deeper roots for development. This will make it easier for the plant to get certain nutrients located in the depth and to be planted more tightly without hindering each other at the root level. Contributions of unifying organic matter, compost, mulch, this matter being produced by the plants themselves, so no external organic contribution is essential after the first year of culture. Sowing, planting staggered to better use the space, no rows and empty bands between them, while respecting the seeding planting distances specific to each plant. This planting method generates a cooler and more humid microclimate on the surface of the soil, which limits the needs for watering. It also ensures better resistance of the plants to the wind. Use of 3 main types of plants: grain plants with a high caloric and protein content per gram of feed represent 60% of the cultivated area. It is their stems and leaves that will provide humus for all the plantings. It is therefore a self-fertile system. These plants are among others beans, buckwheat, quinoa, amaranth, sunflower, hazelnut, and all cereals. Although it is not a grain plant, Jerusalem artichoke also falls into this category because it produces a significant above-ground biomass. Roots, vegetables, and bulbs with high caloric and protein productivity per unit area represent 30% of the cultivated area. These plants are potato, sweet potato, garlic, parsnip, salsify, scorsonera, burdock, rutabaga, turnip if we also eat the tops, leek and onion, leafy vegetables, fruity vegetables, peas and beans represent 10% of the cultivated area. Self-production of seeds, use of varieties population needs to practice these 6 things at once. Planting tight can only give good yields if the soil is amended in humus and loosened deeply. On the other hand, grain plants can indeed provide the necessary humus for all crops, but on condition that everything is planted tightly, thus using a minimum area.
Eventually, according to the regulation of EU, with labeling this will provide more benefit for the consumer and also it's one of the benefits of this project, and not only that.
It enriches the soil with humus and allows the development of associated living beings, fungi, bacteria, and earthworms. It fixes a large amount of atmospheric carbon per unit area in the form of humus. It does not require any expensive or energy-consuming tools.
L'élément qui fait que notre ferme fonctionne bien, c'est qu'on n'a pas de tracteur. Donc 1 hectare, 4 employés, plus de 200 personnes qu'on nourrit. Donc si on multiplie cette ferme-là par 10 000, ça serait comme une contribution à l'emploi importante, surtout si c'est des emplois en région, surtout si c'est des emplois intéressants. Puis d'aller aussi vendre nos légumes directement avec des gens qui viennent nous remercier, qui nous disent « Merci pour la salade, merci pour les belles carottes, merci pour le beau travail ». Et on réussit, même si la ferme est sur une petite surface cultivée, donc moins d'1 hectare, on réussit à bien gagner notre vie. On génère jusqu'à 100 000 $ de revenus par hectare de légumes produits. Donc, c'est vraiment un modèle petit, mais très rentable, très performant. Puis on réussit à avoir un impact dans notre communauté. Ça, c'est ce qui était important. C'est mener par l'exemple, c'est arrêter de rouspéter, puis de faire les Che Guevara de salon, puis se dire, moi j'ai un impact, je contribue, je suis un acteur de changement, je suis un agriculteur, je suis fier, je fais un beau métier, puis je contribue à un monde meilleur. Puis ça, je pense que c'est important.
This project really need you. Thanks. Mboka Moko New Vision.
Mon amour,